Don't you know that you're beautiful?
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a review video. I'm going to be talking about the Fabfitfun summer box. This is actually the first time that I've gotten one of these boxes, so I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to check it out, see what's inside, and share with you guys what it is. So what Fabfitfun is it's a seasonal subscription box. So not monthly, seasonal. And you get $200 worth of products, full-size products, lifestyle products, all kinds of different kinds of products, all for $49.99. So today I did partner up with Fabfitfun to share with you guys what they have in their summer box. And also they are giving you guys a $10 discount code that I will have here on the screen and also in my description box along with their link and everything like that, so you can check them out for yourself. So most of the products in this box are usually women that have like small businesses or started small companies. These are their products. So it just kind of supports women entrepreneurs, and I think that's super cool. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up and get into this box. It is a beautiful box. First, you are gonna get a little summer 2019 catalog little magazine here. This has Even Longoria on it. So there are different articles in here for different business owners. It looks like mostly women information in here, which is really cool. It's basically a magazine for women, I feel like. And then there's also a couple of things in here. This is, oh, don't mind the glue that's on my hands. I just did some lashes today. I was lashing and I got some glue on my hands stuck. But this is a gift card to HelloFresh. And then over here we have, you deserve some summer fun. I'm gifting you $10 off your first Fabfitfun box. That's $200 worth. So $39.99. So I'm assuming that it has a little code. Maybe I can give it away to a friend, somebody who's not watching the video right now, can't get the discount on their own. All right, so this is how it looks inside. It is so pretty. I love it. All right, so first things first is Generation Clay. This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. So the benefits of this, it refines, brightens, illuminates, and nurtures. So it's cruelty-free, which is really nice. I'm trying to check out some of the ingredients here. I'm pretty sure this is like an all-natural product. So I'm really excited about this because I like trying different skincare products out. The next thing is by Wish. It is a coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. And this smooths and softens. It's intense hydration. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and a bunch of other free, cruelty-free. So that's really awesome. And this is perfect for summertime because your skin just starts to get drier as it gets warmer out. So the packaging is very pretty. I love the size of the product that you get because already like this product alone is probably like 15, 20 bucks, if not more. So that's like half your box there. So this is Intelligent Nutrients. It's plant stem cell science. It smooths, exfoliates, super fine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores. So it's for all skin types, and it's a refining micro polish. This is also cruelty-free. I'm assuming all of their products are cruelty-free. I'm gonna have to look into it. So it looks like they send a lot of things for skincare, which I think is amazing because I'm all about taking care of your skin. So the next thing they have in here is just this tiny little package. It's Invisiblevisi, the traceless hair ring. Ooh, I really wanted these. My friend from school, she actually used to wear these, and they don't like put creases in your hair or anything when you're wearing a pony all day, which is really good because having like a tight rubber band in your hair can be really damaging to your hair. So I'm excited to try these out and also share these with Ava. So the next thing is Grace and Stella. It's a spray all day. It's a rose spray, so it's hydrating rose facial spray. Ooh, I am loving all this skincare stuff. I'm definitely gonna let you guys know how I am loving it over time, because you gotta use something like several different times, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to really know if it's working or if you're seeing any kind of change in your skin. Mist 4 or 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Oh, nice. I've never used anything like that, but I've seen it in all the beauty videos. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It is like a rose water. I had some kind of spray when I was growing up that smelled just like this. but it was like a body spray. This smells so good. 2 silicone wine glasses. Let's see what this is about. Oh, this is cute. I love this little bag. So these are really fun. These are silicone wine glasses. Basically, you can use them like by the pool this summer. You're not taking like your glass out there and possibly breaking it and having glass all over your pool. So we do have a pool, and these cups are definitely gonna come in hand. I'm really glad. So, and it's just perfect. It's cute. Yeah, these are super cute, and they're pink and fun and make sense. They have the little name at the bottom there, the brand name, Iodine. And you can just bring it in your little carry-on bag if you're like traveling somewhere too on vacation. Then you can bring your cups and not have any accidents. Oh gosh, there's more stuff in there. Ooh, I'm excited. Maya kimono. Looks like it's one size fits all. Okay, I really love this. It opens up in the front. I love the length of the arms. It's a little wrinkly right now because I just unpackaged it, but it's really pretty. And I definitely needed something like this for the summer. I like to have these things over my bathing suit when I'm not actually in the pool. And then it also ties up in the front. So it's really pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, so the next thing is a eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner and enhance, and it is in the color black. So you just take it out. It says it's pitch black and waterproof. Perfect. It's waterproof, so it doesn't move even on the waterline. I love that. Enhances my lashes each time I use it. So that is a little review that was on the packaging there, and I really like how big this is. Yeah, perfect. This is actually the kind that I use. It's like a pen. It's just easier for me to use. I really, really like that. So the next thing is this big box here. Very cool. It is XO Sienna felt message board. Oh, I love these. Wow, so it has a little bag you can keep all your letters in. It comes with the whole pack of letters with some emojis and numbers. And then it has the message board, which is so cute. I wanted one this size too. I have a big one downstairs, but I needed like a cute little one. I love it. And you can even paint it too. If you don't like just the natural wood look, you can definitely paint this wood. It's like sanded and perfect for that. Anyway, that's all the products that were in the box. I absolutely love this box. I think that's super fun and super cool. You get such a great deal. It's $49.99 typically for over $200 worth of products. And then plus you guys are gonna get the discount code, so it's only $39. So very awesome, because like one and a half of these products covered the cost of that. So then you get all of these other things for free. So very fun. I'm definitely gonna keep getting the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sit down video. If you guys have ever got a Fabfitfun box before, let me know down in the description. I would love to know. And tell me which season was your favorite. Like, do you love the fall boxes, the summer boxes, spring? Let me know all the details down below. Don't forget to give me a like if you guys enjoyed this video, and also say hi down below in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.